Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Good evening, sir. We are from Team Zero Day Defenders from SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram. I am Raja. He is Mr. Indra. He is Ajay and he is Hemant. Our statement is to detect the compromises in system, router and network firewall without using the indicators of compromise, sir. Our vision is to protect the country's critical information and infrastructure in the cyber threat space by using advanced machine learning models and new innovations. Our team will explain the project.
Actually, our is a product and service hybrid company, sir. We are providing threat detection. It is a product, and we are also providing services, which is vulnerability assessment of workers present in the company and vulnerability assessment of machines they handle. So, what we provide service. And we also provide a product, sir. We cost the threat detection at 1649, vulnerability assessment at 5000, and vulnerability assessment of infrastructure at 5000. This coming in depth into the software project. This software project is viable and it runs in Debian, Linux, and Windows 9. The only thing which separates us from the competitors, heavy competitors, are Cylance, Darktrace, BlackBerry Dark. Cylance handles BlackBerry cybersecurity infrastructure. Darktrace is our major competitor. Cisco is our indirect competitor. Juniper is our indirect competitor. So what differentiates us from them is they are unable to assess the understanding of the landscape, sir. Cisco provides products. Juniper provides products. Cylance provides software, sir. They don't go to the company, sir. They just don't give vulnerability assessment to the workers and the infrastructure. They release a product into the market. People like organization MSB and SSB, they go to the market, they buy the product, they install into their system. The main thing is the infrastructure present in the company is not at all right. There is a huge gap in the society now. Government legacy systems are far away from what we are achieving in the American companies. I mean, there is a large gap in the security infrastructure. So what we do is go there, handle the infrastructure correctly with we obtaining by CSSP, GDPR, ITZM certifications to handle the infrastructure. First we obtain the certifications so that we are legal to handle the infrastructure, and then we sell the product through the subscription model and install them. We are happy to help when there is a problem.
You're yet another software in a computer, which is regulating your network, whatever communication happening over the network. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Coming to the software, what differentiates from the antivirus, already Windows Defender, Avast, Norton, they use predefined databases, sir. When an attack comes, it shows some compromises. So they compare the compromises with the ones they are in the databases. They say this is a compromise, it is their own database. What our works is, we have a machine learning algorithms and patentable algorithms, sir, which the main goal is zero-day defenders. We kept like that, means zero-day attacks are attacks which don't have cure in the market. There may be new attacks, new algorithms, new bugs, something. If an attack comes, machine learning algorithm with 86.4%, it predicts there is an attack. Even it is a zero-day attack following non-IOC, sir. What Avast Norton is following is IOC, indicators of compromise. It sees some indicators of compromise such as registry changes, file integrity changes, the changes in the software. What we see is, using machine learning, we see non-indicators of compromise, which don't follow the regular pattern. We follow another pattern to find the compromises in the system using the threat detection product, sir. Total available market of the cybersecurity is 150 billion per year, sir. The serviceable available market only which focuses on the IOCs is 10 billion annually, and the obtainable market which we can capture is 15% of the Indian cybersecurity market. We are not going global. First, we are trying to capture small scale businesses, then medium scale. Then we are trying to scalable the project. Patentable algorithm.
Go back. What's your TRL?
6 to 7, sir. Non-IOC based.
Where have you tested this?
We gave it to a company, sir. It's a pilot project. We gave it to a company to test. They told TRL to be 6 to 7, sir. It is not the full working. It is only a prototype. We gave it to a small scale company which deals with the data centers.
Were they was a real cyber attack defended, or it was a simulated attack?
Simulated. We tested our product under simulated attack, sir.
Then it is not 6 or 7.
It gave certain results, sir.
Then it is not 6 or 7. It can be 4 or 5, whatever. Okay, go ahead. Not a problem. It's not a problem.
We conducted under 6 to 7 multi-meter breeder attacks, reverse TCP attacks, sir. We provided some results to the company as a pilot project. So they told us we took the feedback from them, sir. They told 6 to 7, sir. We don't have that understanding on that. This is the main thing which defines us, sir. The Avast Norton. This is the pyramid of pain, sir. Any company trying to protect the infrastructure or something, they go from down, sir. Hash values, IP address, domain, network artifacts. Here, if even the tools, they make the second one. They have patentable algorithms or patentable something, sir. But the problem with the TTPs is they don't have certain thing or certain to copy or have a patent or something copied like problem, sir. Technique, tactics and procedures, sir. They are the main thing in cybersecurity which we can deal to protect the infrastructure of India, sir. We are heavily inspired by NCIIPC and NTRO, sir. They gave the statement for the SH, sir, Technical Research Organization. So we developed this to protect the Indian infrastructure like banking, fintech, companies like that, sir. Next. Our direct competition, Darktrace, Cylance, Symantec, Palo Alto and antivirus software, sir. These are the direct competitions. Indirect competitions is operating system has a default security systems, ma'am. Open source tools, local security solution company which already are in the market, and Cisco and Juniper which focuses on product security.
How long have you been working on this?
6 months, sir.
Okay. Have you been working on the data models too?
Yes, sir. We back.
What was your data size? What percentage you used for training and testing?
For a whole week, we kept the.
Where were you getting the data from?
No, sir. We made the data set. Getting data is too hard, sir. I mean, they have to test it under several conditions, sir.
And,
what data is that you tested?
I will say, ma'am. First, we search the internet, ma'am. So, what attacks they done on the test bed is from 2010 and 1999. So, we created a test bed in our college from the help of our college faculty and conducted several 7 attacks, ma'am. 40 lakh rows data we got, ma'am. In that, we segregated the normal data and the attack data. This conduction of test bed is done under log tables, system logs and network security.
Still, I'm not buying this because I can go to Windows Defender because it is coming with my I have used their operating system. It says it can defend itself. That's what I am relying. All of those other antiviruses are at the enterprise levels. Using it for if one industry has done it, other industry government is doing it, banking adapting is still a judicious decision. Indirect ones, Junipers or Cisco's, they are known for the network service providers. They don't want to, but they have been into this business for ages. Okay. Now for you, the suggestion, you can take this as a suggestion, not a comment, that as long as you are simulated, I'm not getting the severity of what you can defend. Okay. Anything in cybersecurity, I'll tell you how it has worked for people is that they have broken a firewall and asked people that whatever you are currently using, Cisco's, Juniper's, Symantec, Windows Defender is still okay. Windows Defender is not the only one which works for banking. Banking, they have their own cyber cells or full, very good IT infrastructure. So what I was saying is, you say where all of them have failed, but our attack, this is where we can, and or else try with something like ransomwares, which were really a
Ransomware, yeah.
that were a headache for people. You do that. I'm suggesting you a technique which can make your proposal more effective. Other than that, otherwise it does not sound appealing.
Yeah, and when all these softwares are already there, how will you beat that competition? When people are already...
Our main inspiration came from botnet integration. People trying breaking into the systems. If you forensic the memory analysis, forensic your PC, you won't find even a trace map, but it is still integrated in the botnet. In future, if an attack is going to be connected on a person, your computer will be participating in the botnet, and if you are the viable attack. So our inspiration came from this one. Generating a small 3 to 4 line of code into the files is enough
No,
to...
that's okay. I understand that you have made it. What I'm saying is, there are already softwares available, correct?
But we tested it for eventually not.
That doesn't matter. Yours may be better, good, whatever. It's not easy to market a thing like this. How you get into the market when there are, what the name, guys?
First we gave it to 2 companies now. Pilot project and beta programs. They are currently testing it now. It is over 3 months. They gave some feedbacks on how to improve this product. We are currently improving this product.
Improve that. And I would suggest don't go to AI first now. Your 80% threat is a threat. Even if I'm intruding a cyber attack, intruding even with the remaining 16%, your system is failing. Don't go to AI right now unless it is 99.99 in cyber attack, because that is something which is keeping many things at stake. You build something which you focus on one type of cyber threat, one system, one type of system, banking, whatever. You build a credibility to your product, then move ahead.
And make it a little bit sectoral, like he said, banking or something. Just don't make it a wide open software. You understood, no? It has to be focused to a segment. Then it becomes... fintech like that.
Choose one.
But even then, there are, only thing is, you will have to create some niche and it will take time because there are already so many. What is the niche of yours? I could not understand.
Which are ready to encourage these newly coming
So those are your customers. So what is your niche? Is your price cheaper than the others? That can also be a niche. They are as good as any other software, then they are cheaper.
You understand, this is a antivirus software. The uniqueness of the software is it's a lightweight and platform independent. There is some hardware requirement. So we are planning to run the software in AWS cloud platform. So we have very low requirements of the system and the deployment is easy.
Do it without AWS also. Make it lighter that it is still working. Your features are all good. Absolutely no denying to what you're doing is not worth it. But what we are saying is refine it. When you said it is light, it is. I would prefer it because Nortons and all, they hang the system. Forget about viruses, but performance is not happening.
You have to compare with existing systems. You have to get a prior art search, patentability research done, and then you have to show this is my algorithm, this is my program which is unique, and also it works as sir is suggesting.
Yes, sir.
On one aspect.
Good, you refine it.
Yeah. All the best.
All the best.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.